All right, coaches. So, what you're going to do is you are going to analyze the statistics, the sort of hitting, batting, percentage type of statistics about your team. So, you have 9 players, and each player you're going to go through the same process with. So, here's a dude. He's on my team. This is Carlos Delgado. So when I have this sheet here, you have a sheet just like this that has 9 different players on it. You're going to find the first open one and you're going to say, my first player that I'm going to look at the stats for is Carlos Delgado, right? So I can write his whole name, but my pen's too big. So you'd write your player's name, right? Well, then what you're going to do is you're going to use the card to help you gather some information. So, right on the play ball coaches pack here on this sheet, it also is listed just sort of the steps of what to do in this day 2 section. So you can read it as well. But what you're going to do is you're going to be looking only at the 2009 stats for every player on your team. So we're like becoming time travelers, if you will. So 2009 here is on my card. It's the last stat. So on the very bottom row, that's what we're going to be looking at. And you'll see, as noted on your sheet, that to get the PA, the plate appearances here, and to get the the first base percentage, the 1B, those are going to take a little bit of math, but everything else we can get straight from the card. So that's what we're going to practice in this video here. We're going to pause on the PA and the 1B. We'll get back to those. And we're going to start by filling out the player statistics just straight from the card. So we're going to look for H, right? So we're going to look for how many H's. Well, H is in this column here. And I'm going to travel all the way down. And in 2009, Carlos had 28 hits. So in my H section, I'm going to put 28. I'm going to look for AB or at bat. So that's right up here in this column. If I travel all the way down to 2009, he had 94 at bats. He was up to the plate that many, essentially at bat that many times. We're going to skip over one bag and we're going to come down here to the 2B. So we're going to look for 2B. That's this column here, go all the way down. He got to second 7 times. 3B, he got 1 time. How many home runs? HRs, he got 4 home runs. And BBs, which is another sort of phrase to say a walk, is he got 12. And my pen is a little big, yours will fit a lot better, but you're going to just simply be filling in this data from the baseball card to your player statistics sheet.